Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to discuss about different orders, different and important and required orders in case of amphibia according to the syllabus of zoology. So first order we have Anura, or commonly known as Silenttia. The identifications or examples you can see, we have frog and bufo. Bufo for we use the scientific words for tortoise. And in case of Neura, the famous or well known features, they have their tail absent, but in case of adults, as we have discussed before, that their tail usually present in case of larva, but in case of adults their tail will be absent. And second identification, their hind limbs are very long and they used for their hind limbs for jumping. So these are the identifications when we recognize the Anura from the other orders. You can see in the diagram Anura, both of these frog and bufo belong to Anura order, and both characteristics can be observed. They haven't tail, their tail will be disappear during their development from tadpole to the frog or bufo. And while in case of hind limbs, their hind limbs you can see very long. Behind hind limbs are present. First their forelimbs are present, and behind hind limbs are present, and hind limbs are usually, as compared to other species, are very long and they used for jumping. While when we compare both of these, then in case of frog, their hind limbs are much larger as compared to the bufo, because they usually used it for walking, while they used for jumping and swimming their hind limbs. So it is the basic description in case of Anura. When we discuss the second order, Caudata, caudal word we usually used for tail. So if tail is present, then we put such type of specimen in case of Caudata, and their tail present throughout the life. And examples we have, as we discussed before, also in case of characteristics of amphibia, Salamandra, and commonly known as Salamandra, they belong to order Caudata, and due to the presence of the large sized tail which is present throughout their life. It is also the example of Caudata, and it is known as the Triturus. You can see, you can notice the basic difference of it, the shaded areas and over the skins, and their size are also changed from each others. Now come on the third class, Apoda. Apoda gymnophiona. Gymnophiona is Apoda, and their identification features you can see, it is just like the worm like. पहले तो outer looks ही से हम पहचान लेते कि ये worm like है, and it is limbless. No limbs can be seen. Limbs means forelimbs and hind limbs और appendages. Collectively अगर हम use करें तो हम appendages का word use करते हैं limbs के लिए. These are limbless. No forelimbs and hind limbs can be observed. और इसमें हमारे पास ये जो example है Sicilian की है, और Sicilian में एक एक्थाइफोसिस भी आ जाती है, जो कि इसकी पॉइजनस स्पीशीज़ है. Sicilian हार्मलेस स्पीशीज़ है, वाइल इन केस ऑफ एक्थायोफिस जो हमारे पास पॉइजनस स्पीशीज़ है. आई थिंक ऑल दिस पॉइंट्स आर क्लियर्ड. आपने डायग्राम्स भी बेटा देख ली और उनकी डिस्टिंक्शन भी आपने कर ली. सो आई थिंक दिस पॉइंट्स हेल्पफुल टू रिकॉग्नाइज द स्पीशीज़ अमंग द एम्फीबियंस. Take care of yourself and keep in touch with this channel. Inshallah Ta'ala we will get more and more. Okay ji, thank you.